Sa sama una tan bad though, regarding my cheesecake series of videos. Uno tan bad and unfair. Very unfair, because I literally prefaced the video by saying I will always provide for my woman's needs and then some. Which means I will pay for dates and every time we go out and all of that stuff, right? I will pay for her needs. Then now, una call me cheap and mean and stingy or whatever when I refuse to pay for the cheesecake, something that she wants. Do you think that it is fair for me to pay for all our dates and everything else and still have to buy the cheesecake? Is that fair? Is that fair? That's what I want to know. Is it fair? Logically, it is not fair. If the man is already providing for her, paying for the dates and all of that stuff, if she wants something, she should be the one buying it, no matter how small it is. It isn't about the cheesecake, you know. It really isn't about the cheesecake. It's really more about the principle. For me personally, it's a huge pet peeve. I do not like when women ask me for things because I have played the boopsie role for far too many times to not learn my lesson. There are women out here who will date you just because them can get a free meal or money out of you. As soon as them ask for sitting, it's a huge red flag. Huge. No. Instant turn off. The fact that you can ask a man for something and feel that you are entitled to it, I'm running for the hills. And then after that now, it's the method of communication that's a pet peeve for me as well. It's the way a woman communicates. Like I've explained in the comment section, if it's a case where she said something like, babe, I'm hungry, then naturally, as a man, I would respond, okay, what do you want? You need money? All right, here. Simple. But then if you go like, babes, you can buy me a slice of cheesecake? No! I was explaining to some people in the comment section that I would much rather the more feminine way of communicating than the more direct masculine way of communicating from my woman. One gives me the opportunity to be the provider. The other just like, ugh, it just come off nasty. No, stay away.